So for this video, we will solve for the value of x in 3x plus 12 is equal to 27. So the first thing that you will do is to transpose term or numbers na wala pong variable na x. Okay, so in this case, itong si 12, itatranspose natin dyan. And whenever you transpose a number, for example, ito positive 12. So pag ilalagay po natin siya dito sa kabila, magiging negative po yan. Kung negative 12 naman, kung ilalagay natin sa kabila, magiging positive 12 po siya. Okay? So in this case, that's positive. So magiging negative siya. So let's write. So as you can see, na-transpose ko na siya, naging negative 12 na siya. And now, it will become 3x. Okay, so 27 minus 12 is 15. So ilagay natin siya dito, 15. And then, i-divide natin both sides by 3. Bakit 3? Para po matanggal ang 3 dito. Maka-cancel out. Magiging 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, ang titira dito is x. So, our answer is 15 over 3. What is 15 divided by 3? That's 5. So, yan po yung ating answer.